Yeah, happy Sunday. So we're tapping into our inner vegetarian today. This is chickpea. I'm boiling my chickpea. I'm gonna pressure them so I can make my homemade hummus. Cover this baby up. And then over here, we're doing a mug bean stew that we're going to be eating with either rice or I have roti. All right, so we're tapping into our vegetarian Indian side today. So stay tuned. Here we go. This is the vegetarian Sunday meal, Indian inspired. So I have a wild rice, wild coconut flavored rice. This is hummus made from scratch. And this is the mug bean stew with onions and peppers. And these are the mung bean balls to dip in the hummus. And of course I have a roti. This is the only thing I didn't make was the roti. The roti came pre-made and some avocado. All right, so that's our Sunday dinner. I'm gonna wash that down with some lemongrass and soursop leaf with lime tea, very light brewed tea. That's it. Happy Sunday.